Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you what I got at the Amherst Train Show 2017. So first, I picked up another P42 locomotive number 190 to go with 177. 110 bucks, usual price 130. I got a Walther's Mainline SD70 ACE CSX 150, regular price 200. I got a 5-pack of CSX Bethcon coal porters, $140, regular price $200. I got a ethanol tank car, $28, regular price $35. And I got a 3-pack of more ethanol cars, $85, regular price $100. This year was my first time going to the Amherst train show. Being I live in New York, I usually go to the Greenberg one in Edison, New Jersey. But we do know a friend nearby and we said, why not? But this train show is 4 buildings instead of 1. I must have covered the whole place in about maybe 7 hours or so. If you're going to a train show, you have to bring a lot of money with you. I mean, a lot of allowances, or if you have a job, even better, to make these kinds of purchases. I will end up doing a review of each of these products you see before you. Till next time, bye-bye.